How to make shooting range props for your G.I. Joes. Supplies you'll need for this project. Download Target PDF, link in the description box. Popsicle sticks, paper straws, 12-inch jumbo bamboo skewers, 12-inch bamboo skewers, cardstock or paperboard, gloves if you need them. Tools you'll need for this project: glue gun, glue stick, Sharpie markers, ruler, scissors, utility cutter. We will begin by covering the back of the Target printable with glue. You can print this on cardstock and skip this step if you would like. Place the cardstock on the paper and smooth it out. Make sure the glue sticks to the cardstock. Repeat this with the second Target printable. We'll start on the Target stand. Measure and cut 4 1-inch pieces of paper straw. Punch out 4 holes from the cardstock. Measure and cut 12 2-inch pieces of popsicle sticks. Cut and discard the ends. When these steps are complete, you should have 12 2-inch popsicle stick pieces, 4 hole punch, and 4 1-inch paper straws for each target you want to make. Add hot glue to the paper straw and press down onto the hole punch. Add hot glue to the end of the 2-inch popsicle stick and glue it to the paper straw as illustrated. While the glue is still hot, set it on a surface and make sure the straw is at a 90-degree angle. Add hot glue to another popsicle stick and glue it to the paper straw as illustrated. While the glue is hot, set it on the surface and keep that 90-degree angle on the straw. Continue to glue popsicle sticks onto the paper straw as illustrated. When finished, it should look like this. Repeat this process for all 4 or how many targets you want to make. Now for the targets. We will begin working on this. Cut out the targets. Measure and mark the center on the back of the targets. For me, it was about 4 inches, so I marked a spot at 2 inches. Measure and cut 4 2-inch pieces of paper straw. I like to slide the 2-inch paper straw onto a dowel and color it with a Sharpie marker. Color a spot on cardstock and punch it out. Glue the colored punch out onto the paper straw, as illustrated. Glue the paper straw to the back of the target on the marks we made earlier. Allow the glue to dry. Repeat with all 4. Color or paint your wooden dowels. Place one end of the wooden dowel into the paper straw. Slide the target down on top of the dowel. You have completed the targets. Repeat with all 4 or how many you want to make. Now with the small target, cut them out. You can use glue and place them on a wall, or use poster tack and stick them to things. Or what I did is glue them to a stick. With this, you can stick them into the ground. Grab a small target, place it face down, add hot glue to the bamboo stick, and glue it to the target. Just eyeball it to get the stick in the center. Repeat with as many as you want to make. I use spray paint to paint my target stands. This was a black spray paint for vinyl and fabric, but it works fine for my target stands. You can just spray them until you get good coverage. Also, I wanted to add a tip. If you wanted to make bullet holes, poke holes into your target with a nail or awl. Now that they're all painted, we get a symbol. Take one foot and slip it into the bottom part of the dowel. The body of the target goes on like that. You could probably build this inside, build a indoor shooting range if you'd like. I think that'd be pretty cool. How about the little targets? Let me show you. With these little targets, just kind of stick them in the ground in random places. Kind of make like a shooting range of some sort. Maybe vary the distances on them. Put them in different spots. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.